Environmental pollution in Ghana has become a serious challenge due to rapid population growth, urbanization, industrial activities, and weak enforcement of environmental regulations. The following are some of the major causes of environmental pollution in the country. Here are causes of environmental pollution in Ghana. 1. Improper waste disposal. Poor solid waste management in cities and towns leads to dumping of refuse in open spaces, drains, and water bodies, causing land and water pollution. 2. Industrial emissions. Factories release untreated gases, chemicals, and effluents into the air and nearby rivers, contributing to air and water pollution. 3. Mining activities. Illegal and small-scale mining, galamsey, causes severe water pollution through the release of mercury, cyanide, and sediments into rivers. 4. Vehicle emissions. The increasing number of old and poorly maintained vehicles releases harmful gases such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. 5. Burning of waste. Open burning of plastic and household waste releases toxic fumes, leading to air pollution and health problems. 6. Agricultural activities. Excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides pollutes soil and water bodies through runoff. 7. Deforestation. Clearing of forests for farming, logging, and settlement exposes land to erosion and increases dust and air pollution. 8. Poor sanitation. Inadequate sanitation facilities lead to the discharge of untreated sewage into the environment, contaminating water sources. 9. Construction activities. Road construction and building projects generate dust, noise, and debris that degrade air quality and the environment. 10. Rapid urbanization. Unplanned urban growth increases pressure on waste management systems, housing, and infrastructure, leading to widespread pollution.